Hey guys, it's your boy Rex, and in today's video we're going to do an unboxing of the AYN Thor. So I've been waiting for this device for about 2.5 months. I'm super excited. It just arrived from China. The packaging looks fine. So let's do a quick unboxing and see how this thing looks. So ever since this device was released, I've been obsessed, watching lots of videos on YouTube, watching people set up emulators, and it looks like people are really in love with this device. So I'm super excited for it. I ended up getting the Thor Max, so I believe that's 16 gigs of RAM, and probably more RAM than I actually need. Okay, packaging looks okay. Everything seems to be intact. And there it is. Now, I did get the rainbow model. So let's see if I got the correct order. But yes, I know I have a long time ahead of me to actually get this thing set up and to start gaming. Super excited. All right, let's see how this thing looks. Here is a little card with this is the 6-inch AMOLED 1080p, 120 hertz for the primary screen, 60 hertz for the secondary screen. Okay, so these are just a specs card, and on here are all of the controls, some safety tips. It looks like I did get the rainbow. Nice. So we got a little box here. Let's see what's inside. I'm guessing this is the charger. Yes, so we got a USB-C to USB-C. Put this over the side. And I guess there's no charging brick in here. And here we go. Wow. This thing feels really nice in my hand. Let's get this over the side. So, before I open it up, let's do a little bit of a comparison. Here is 3DS XL, and here is the Thor. It's about the same, and even weight comparison, I'm super surprised. It feels almost the same. I'm guessing this is heavier, but the distribution of the weight is really nice. This color is actually really nice. It's more of like a beige for the rainbow. I thought it was going to be more white, but this is actually really nice. So here's it next to the 3DS XL. And then here it is next to my DS Lite. It's really nice. And Steam Deck. You get a good idea. Wow, this thing is really small. It's a lot smaller. And then this is my just regular Nintendo 3DS. So the one thing I was worried about with this is the feel to it without the TPU case. I thought it was going to slip out of my hand, but it feels pretty good. It feels really solid. Whoop. And we have a nice little protector here. I heard the advice a lot of people have given is to keep this on when you travel to protect the case, or to protect the screen. We'll put that over to the side, and when I open it up, wow, yeah, this feels really nice. The buttons are very colorful. The sticks feel nice. It's a nice D-pad. The only thing that I can already tell that a lot of people have commented on are these triggers, the L2 and the R2. It does feel a little bit odd, but I'm sure you do get used to it. The screen looks like it has 3 different positions. Well, that's fully open. There's that. I think that's how you would normally play, right? And then there's that position there, which I think would be best if you laid it down and you were just watching movies. Let's see if this thing powers on. No, I think it's done. Oh, no, there it goes. Wow, that screen is actually really, really nice. This is so light. I can't even believe how light this thing is. I think I understand why people love this thing, because it is super, super light. Okay, well, there you go. That's my unboxing. I'm really excited to get this thing set up, to make some videos once we load some games on here, and to see how this thing plays. Cool. Thank you for watching.